Enhancing landscape design ideas for garden decoration. Farmhouse, cottage, backyard, garden tour with upland ideas. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Step into a world of wishme and charm when a cottage garden landscape design embrace a mix of colorful flowers, lush greenery window, pathways to create relaxed and inviting atmosphere, retreat of quaint countryside and cottage. Add character to your garden with our rustic planters and containers. Repurpose berries and baskets show a favorite flower and herbs. Create intimate setting areas throughout your garden to relax and unwind. Whether it's a quaint bench, nested bench and shade, tree of cozy oak surrounding by fragrant blooms, craft comfortable seating options to enjoy quiet moments in nature. Design schedules highways within your garden for touch, mastery and romance. Use lush foliage, archway and pergolas to create intimate space and away from the hustle of bustle. Perform a quiet contemplation after moon tea. Extend the magic of your garden into evening hours with a thoughtfully designed lighting and crafting fairy lights, lanterns and pathways. Lightly illuminate key features and create magic ambience perfect for strolls and outdoor entertaining. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden ideas. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. With these enhancing landscape design ideas, you can transform your farmhouse, cottage, backyard, garden into a retreat filled with a charm and beauty. Like, share, subscribe for more ideas. Thanks for watching.